In this video you will learn how to show Contact Form 7 form in a pop-up. Pop-up for Contact Form 7 can show a nice pop-up of the Contact Form 7. A pop-up form will show up on a button click. Follow my steps and watch the video till end. It's possible to add the pop-up button anywhere on your site using its custom shortcode. If you want to change button width and text, here is the complete shortcode. Change form ID in the shortcode. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe for more tutorial videos. Share, like and comment.